Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by proving you own the Vivo Y20 and getting the device ready. Gather receipt, box IMEI, or carrier info, and make sure the phone is charged above 50%. Once done, connect it to Wi-Fi or mobile data and have your Google account and Vivo ID credentials at hand. If you recall the lock PIN or pattern, try account recovery first. Otherwise, prepare for an authorized reset through built-in services or Vivo support rather than attempting third-party bypasses. Next, use provider-approved remote tools before visiting service. Sign into the same Google account on a PC or phone and open Find My Device to see if the Vivo is online. If it is, you can lock or perform a remote erase. Make sure you understand remote erase deletes all local data, so use backups or Google Drive to restore afterwards. If the phone is offline or the account isn't linked, note that these options won't work and move to contact Vivo support for an authorized reset. Finally, arrange an authorized reset through Vivo or a certified service center. Call support, explain the lock issue, and provide proof of ownership such as receipt, box IMEI, and account info. They will guide you through official verification and, if approved, perform an authorized factory reset. Make sure to ask how your data will be handled and whether they can restore backups. Troubleshooting tip: if verification is rejected, keep receipts, carrier account records, and the device's original packaging to escalate. Unauthorized bypasses risk data loss and legal problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.